Love for accounting. In today's video, we will talk about the trial balance. Let's dive right in. From our previous video, lesson 004, we have learned about the accounting equation, assets equal equity plus liabilities. On this scale, we have all these items, non-current assets, current assets, capital, which is equity, and non-current and current liabilities. Furthermore, during operations of a business, we will also have income and expenses, and there are some more other items. We already know that the total of debits is always equal to the total of credits because of the double entry system. Now, we will prepare the trial balance together. Step 1. We will gather all account balances at a certain point of time. Step 2. Put each item on the trial balance. Remember to put the amount on the debit side or the credit side according to the nature of the accounts. We will look deeper at this part later. Step 3. After all accounts and balances are put on the trial balance, calculate the total for the debit and credit side respectively. Last step. Check that the total of the debits is equal to the total of the credits. A trial balance is a list of balances taken from the ledger accounts at a specific point of time, often prepared at month end. It is primarily used to check the arithmetical accuracy of the double entry system in accounting and subsequently help to locate errors if it fails to balance. If it does balance, it then acts as an intermediate step in the preparation of the financial statements. The proper preparation of the trial balance depends on whether we can correctly determine which side the accounts belong to. From our last lesson, we already know that assets are debit accounts, while equity and liabilities are credit accounts. Income increases equity, credit accounts. Expenses reduce equity, debit accounts, as they are opposite to equity. Here, we also see some new terms. Provision for depreciation and allowance for doubtful debts are both what we call contra-asset items. These items are created to reduce the value of assets, so they are opposites of assets, going to the credit side. Drawings are cash and other assets taken by owners, so they are contra-equity items, debit. In public exams, we may be asked to simply prepare and balance a trial balance from a list of balances given, just like what we have done. We might also be asked to find a missing figure by completing the trial balance. Sometimes, the trial balance fails to agree because errors exist. In this case, we have to correct the errors first. Provisions, allowances, drawings, and corrections of errors will be covered in other lessons in the future. Be alert! One main limitation of a trial balance is that even though the trial balance is balanced, it is still possible that the figures are not all correct. Next time, we will extend our view from the trial balance to other components of the accounting cycle.
I love accounting.